For the hygge couple, we've twice named these unisex wool slippers the coziest pair to wear or give as a gift. Strategist senior writer Karen Iorio Adelson says, they're comfortable for walking around and the wool feels warm, soft, and not at all itchy. They hug your foot and mold to your shape the more you wear them. Spouses who spend lazy weekends padding around the house in old, ragged slippers will appreciate the upgrade. For the couple that skis together, wool socks are popular among skiers and snowboarders for many of the same reasons as they are among hikers. Sarah Plaskett, founding director of the ski trip planning agency Scout, thinks these socks from La Bent are the best of the bunch. They're really smooth and soft, but they also have good compression on them, so they're good for your muscles, she says. For the couple that runs on caffeine, power your mornings with this copper-hued, barista-recommended coffee maker that can brew 40 ounces in minutes. I've been using it daily for the past 3+ years with zero issues. It's just no fuss, says Suyog Modi, the founder of Driftaway Coffee. And it looks good on the kitchen counter.